Warning! Do you own Solana? I'm begging you. I'm trying to grab you through the camera right now and tell you to sell your Solana. I normally wouldn't do something like this, but this is one of the most obvious things I've seen in a long time. There are people that are up over 200%, 200 to 400% right now, guys, on Solana. They bought it down here at $9 and now it's $40. And one thing I have learned about crypto is that people love to sell their crypto at round numbers. They love to sell at $30, $40. They're going to sell their crypto. They're going to sell their Solana and they're going to rotate it into Ethereum. Okay, and I firmly believe this. We have Johnny saying the same thing. I think we see a rotation of money from Sol into ETH over the next few days. Gainsey, I think I lost 1.2 million by holding ETH over Sol. We're starting to reach painful regret territory. Pentoshi, ETH building into a breakout, slowly grinding up, expecting momentum to pick up. And then you've got people like this saying there's no reason to own ETH. Zero. Own BTC and then buy Solana. I've seen this all over my timeline, guys. This is just a few examples. Everyone is euphoric, party about Solana. Everyone is saying that Ethereum is dead. Solana is better. Solana's faster. There's no reason to even have Ethereum. This is the exact moment in time, guys, when Ethereum is about to rip someone a new butthole. Because I promise you this, Ethereum is not done. Ethereum is not going to go to $1,800 and then we're going to get an ETF and that's it. It's going to go back to zero. That is not going to happen, okay? Ethereum is going to above $2,000 in the next few weeks, probably to $2,200, $2,400. And I can see this so clearly, and I'm just trying to help you guys. I don't know how else to describe it other than there is zero chance that Solana keeps going up here and Ethereum does not catch up. There is almost zero chance. People are up way too much. Like I said, they are up 200%. If I had bought, I didn't buy, trust me. I didn't buy down here. I wish I would have. But would I be selling my Solana right now if I was up 300% on it? Yes, absolutely, 1,000%. And that is what everyone is going to do. It is not going to get to $50. If you're buying Solana at $40, hoping for $50, good luck. Okay, it's going to go back down. ETH is going to go up, and then everything will pump, and we'll have one big run. But I'm telling you right now, this is your chance. If you're waking up this morning, you have major profits on Solana, sell it and rotate it into Ethereum. Now, what do I think is going to happen for the rest of the market? I think we're going to get this ETF. We are going to get this ETF. Gary Gensler tweeted this yesterday. If Satoshi Nakamoto, this is Gary Gensler, the head of the SEC, the guy who is preventing the ETF, the guy who is in charge of whether or not we get rich or not. Okay, this is the only guy that matters right now. If Satoshi Nakamoto went as Satoshi Nakamoto for Halloween, would we be able to tell? Happy 15th anniversary to Satoshi's famous white paper. Would he be tweeting this if he wasn't about to approve a Bitcoin ETF, guys? He is about to approve a Bitcoin ETF. It is going to happen in the next 30 to 60 days. I think it's 71 days maximum. Just mark it on your calendar. 71 days max, we are going to have a spot Bitcoin ETF. And if you're sitting here thinking that Bitcoin is done, it's already priced in, 34,400 is as high as we're going to go, I think you're drunk, high, and smoking crack all at the same time. Like, these prices up here, these lines here, I mean, trust me, I hate technical analysis. I think it's all nonsense. But I do think that what it does show is human behavior and human psychology. And if you can put a line here, I don't even remember how to do a line. I just need to do a horizontal line. Where the hell is it? Okay. Horizontal line like this. That's 40,000, that green line. You see that? Okay. How much time has Bitcoin price spent battling around $40,000? I don't know. Months, years. I mean, this is a daily chart. Yeah, this is a daily chart. We have spent months and years battling this $40,000 price. It's like if you got into a fight with your wife about the same topic every day for like 2 years. Maybe the next time that topic comes up, you tread a little bit more carefully. That's what this is, okay? We're about to come back up here and test one of the most important prices in the history of Bitcoin. And I'm telling you that BlackRock getting an ETF is good enough to get us back to that important level. I promise you. We are going to go back up around $40,000 and we're going to have another battle. Just like you bring up that topic with your wife and you're going to have a battle again. It's almost guaranteed. So what I expect is some kind of price action. I don't know. I don't have the squiggly profit, crystal ball. But over the next, this is happening soon. I got to zoom in here. This is happening soon here, guys. We are coming up to this $40,000 level, like very soon. We're going to have a little battle right here. And this is coming like in the next the next month. After that, I'm going to sell all of my Bitcoin right here from 40,000. I've already publicly talked about this, but this is my plan. 40K up to about 46K. I'm going to sell all of my Bitcoin. And yes, the price may in fact go to 50K. I don't care. Okay? This is the same thing as Solana. It's like almost like there's patterns or something, right? This is not going to be good enough to get us back to all-time highs. This is not going to go to 69K. I don't care what your favorite influencer says. I don't care what anyone says. Interest rates are 8%. 8%. If you get a house, like 9%. If you get a house right now, it's insanely expensive. It's like there's not enough money in the system, guys, to get us back to 69K, dancing around on the tables, monkeys trading for $1 million. That type of economy does not exist right now, okay? So we ain't going back to 69K. And guess what, guys? Talking about prices that are, psychologically important for Bitcoin. We got 40K, very important. And then another round number for all you monkeys out there, 50,000. 50,000 is another I can't even draw horizontal lines. So don't take my technical analysis very seriously because I can't draw lines. 50,000 is a very important level. I do not think that we are going to just crush through 50,000 and just have a party, guys. We're not. Somewhere between $40,000 and $50,000, this rally will stall. We will come up here soon. We will battle here. This rally will stall. And we will wait for the Bitcoin halving, which means we'll probably come back down. We'll probably dance around in the 30s, maybe 24. We'll probably scare the out of some people. And then when the halving happens around May, then we'll go back up for new all-time highs, over the course of the next year. Like I'm talking like late 2024. We could maybe see all-time highs with Bitcoin, maybe early 2025. So don't get too excited. Trade this like a smart person. If you have Solana, freaking sell it right now and put it into Ethereum. You're going to be very happy. I promise you on that. Thank you. You're welcome for the free money. For Bitcoin, set your sell orders now. Stop being a dumbass. It's not going to $50,000. It's not. It might tap 50, a best case scenario, but it's not going back to all-time highs until 2025. So trade this properly. This is some of the easiest stuff I've ever seen. That's the reason I'm putting these stupid videos out. I don't want to do videos every day, but when it's this obvious, you guys got to pay attention. All right, I'll see you guys later. Peace. Hey, retweet this if you got some value. Bye.